The man with the cornbread in his hand, goddamn.
I got some. Good morning time over there, Excalibur. The WatchMaker, wheeling the serpent.
Waving their pistol and all the good time game. Waving their pistol and all the good time game. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand, goddamn.
You sounded beautiful down here as always on that radio, man. Wanted to wave a hand to you. I'm just back here working on some watches. I heard you bumping it down, so I figured I'd step in and wave hello. Hey, Trinitron, you got that video here?
I hear somebody trying to get a better Trinitron9. I'm rolling pistol. I'm rolling for right now anyway. I heard somebody trying to get a better Trinitron9. WatchMaker had my ear hole. I'm going to say good afternoon, good morning, whatever the case may be. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Goddamn.
Hey, right back, Excalibur. You have a good 4th of July coming up. But Sunday sounded real good down here, and I hope you've been well. Family day, everybody's doing all right up there. No doubt. Your WatchMaker. And we'll tell us right back.
Yeah, I had to wait to WatchMaker get out my ear hole. I had to wait to WatchMaker get out my ear hole. Take care there, my friend. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Goddamn.
Got it out there, Mr. Blues, man. I heard you calling my name. I'm gonna wave at you out there. Hey, welcome back there, PCL. Your WatchMaker, right back.
Who's gonna clean up this Coney Island radio? Who's gonna clean up this Coney Island radio? Who's gonna clean up this Coney Island radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island, goddamn.
Are you making a good trip down here to Pennsylvania, cowboy? Your WatchMaker waving right back.
Hey, WatchMaker, look around Coney Island. Hey, WatchMaker, look around Coney Island. Hey, WatchMaker, the man with the cornbread in his hand, goddamn.
Hey, WatchMaker, here come pistol. Hey, WatchMaker, here come pistol. Your worldwide lowest. Hey, WatchMaker, here come pistol. Sounding good over here. And good morning time, T9. Good morning time, Pistol Grip. Heard you in there too. There you go. Sounding good there, Pennsylvania cowboy. Your WatchMaker, your friend, Emerald Coast, right back.
By WatchMaker, you're making a whole lot of noise in these deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, WatchMaker, you're making a whole lot of noise in these deep waters of Coney Island. Hello, WatchMaker, you're making a lot of noise in Coney Island. WatchMaker, Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
Shot King, no doubt. Sounding good, Pennsylvania cowboy. I heard you in there too, Pistol Grip in the background, screaming and hollering. I'm waving to you. And T9, I heard you in there too. No doubt. Your WatchMaker, 1 hour East Pensacola, got down.
And that's a WatchMaker Trinitron9 Roger. WatchMaker Trinitron9 Roger. That's a WatchMaker Trinitron9 Roger. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
WatchMaker, I'm coming for your video. Lowest.
The man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
22, where you at out there, Brady? I couldn't make it out that good. I heard you in there, cowboy. I heard Pistol Grip trying to get in the video gate. I ain't running no gate, Pistol Grip. I heard somebody else up in Michigan, too. I'm waving back, fellas. What a train wreck. I'm waving right back.
Who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island. So who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island. So who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
Run that gate. I feel 47 gate. The gate says, 47, you got the gate rolling there, Pennsylvania cowboy. Roger. Right back.
I hear 217 Mobile. I think it's 217 Mobile. I think it was 217 Mobile out there. I'm going to wave a hand and try to put it in your ear hole. I think it was 217 Mobile. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
Hope you guys doing well. I'm going to get back to the watch bench over here and try to get this Rolex done. I'll be back. Before I stop, around the world down. Outside.
trying to make sure I get conditions out here. I don't want to be ghost talking and cross talking. I don't want to be ghost talking and cross talking. I heard the ChickenMan out there. I'm getting ready to go back to the water, go back to the shoreline. I'm getting ready to ride this wave back to the shore. I don't want to do no ghost talking, no cross talking out here in Coney Island. Waving a hand, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Go down.
I was just back today to warm up and percolate, meditate, and when I come back, get ready to do some marching for the WeedKiller in the Buckeye way.
Hey, WeedKiller, here I come. WeedKiller, here I come. Waving right back. Hey, WeedKiller, here I come. Waving it right back. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Go down.
What up, Mr. Trinitron9 with the cornbread in his hand. WeedKiller waving.
Right back, WeedKiller, I'm waving right back with my cornbread in my hand. Hey, WeedKiller, I'm waving it right back with a little tiny piece of cornbread in my hand. Hey, WeedKiller, I'm waving it right back with a little tiny piece of cornbread in my hand. Have a good day, have a good week coming up. Break, break, break.
Recognize that sound. Hey, Pistol Good, you have a good course, man. I'm gonna get back out here.
Bye, WeedKiller, bye, WeedKiller. Let me get this cornbread out of the water. Bye, WeedKiller. Let me get my cornbread out of the water. Take care, WeedKiller. Trinitron9, Coney Island. So bye, bye, bye. Bye, WeedKiller in the good time gang. Bye, WeedKiller in the good time gang. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Just go down. Waving a hand, waving a hand. I heard my friend Lucky 7, Lucky Man out there also. I'm waving a hand to the band, waving a hand to the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Go down. You reading the mail out there? You reading the mail out there? I'm waving a hand to everybody. You reading the mail out there? I'm waving a hand to everybody. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Go down. Waving at ChickenMan, waving at ChickenMan in the good time gang, waving at ChickenMan, ChickenMan. Hey, ChickenMan, waving it, waving it, waving it. ChickenMan in the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
DWBT in the yard waving at you. Good evening time to you, DWBT in the yard. I'm there in the other trees. I'm waving at the pistol with the video game on. I don't know if I can clean out your machine, but I got that one wide, real drive, real game on. Hey, Pennsylvania Cowboy, you sounding good out here, man. I run a little audio clips over there in the Get Down group. Anyway, Pennsylvania Cowboy, you sounding good out here around Arkansas.
Trinitron9 right there right now. Trinitron9 right there right now. Riding this wave at the Coney Island. Trinitron9 right there right now. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Years later out there on the sand highway to Blazer, Tennessee, standing by. Cowboy. Yeah, I've been sitting back listening to you, folks.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. I'm getting ready to go back to the shore. It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm getting ready to go back to the shoreline. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
All right out there, Pennsylvania cowboy. But till we do it again, my brother, take it easy and take care. OBT pulling back, I'm back on the mail.
I'm going back to the shore. I'm going back to the shore. I'm going back to the shore. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in the sand. Go down.
One more time. Too out there, ain't no doubt about it. Hey, Pizza Man, you still sounding good in my radio like you was a few days ago. Hey, Pizza Man, BT in the yard, getting on down.